name is Dadon, and I am a realtor, but I'm not reaching out to try to convince you that I will be the listing agent that will sell your house. So you can breathe and keep on watching this video. My opinion, there are certain people that are 100% are able to sell their house on their own. And I think that my job as a realtor and a team manager is not only to help people sell and buy their houses, it's also help the community. And as a part of the community, I decided to do this short video and to give you some helpful tips that will help you to sell your house so much quicker and actually sell your house. So let's start. Pictures are crucial. First of all, hire a professional photographer. Don't take pictures with your cell phone. They just don't look as good as a professional photographer. It's so much smarter to invest that $150, $200, whatever, to get professional pictures, because buyers, when they look at quality pictures, they will want to come and see the house in person. So that's tip number one: hire a professional photographer. Also a tip about taking pictures: the day that the photographer is coming, try to declutter as much as you can. It will help the house to look nicer, bigger, and more inviting. Another tip: answer your phone. You decide that you're going to sell the house on your own. Wonderful. Make sure when people are calling you to pick up the phone. Answer text. Those are people that want to actually come and view the house. I know that most of the calls are a wonderful listing agent that I will sell your house and all that spiels, but maybe 1 in 10 will be a potential buyer, but you need to take all that 10 calls to make sure that you won't miss that potential buyer. Now, when a potential buyer is calling, don't be shy and ask them, are you pre-approved for a loan? And if yes, which type of loan? And even ask them to send you a copy of the loan. Why is it important? Because you are busy and you don't want to start showing the houses to looky-loos that are not even approved for a loan. So that's something very important. Don't be shy. It's something that will save you so much time further down the road. Now, once you found a perfect buyer, make sure that everything is in a valid contract signed by both of you. Make sure that you are aware of the exit points that the buyer has. Don't forget to take earnest money. Don't forget to protect that earnest money, that if the buyer will fail to close, you at least get that compensation of the earnest money. Make sure that you have a very clear deadlines for the buyer and for the lender, so they won't waste your time and make this process longer than it's supposed to be. Remember, during the process of buying a house, a buyer will do, typically, unless they're a cash buyer, they will do inspection, appraisal, and then we'll have the loan contingency. Make sure to give a very reasonable time frame for those contingencies. And if the buyer or the lender will slack or won't complete what they are supposed to do, make sure that you have the ability to go after the earnest money, because at the end of the day, you did and took the house off the market for that specific buyer. Another big tip that I think will help you, especially now during this COVID, is if you'll do a virtual tour of the house, and you'll be able to send it to people, because sometimes the angles of the pictures don't give a really good feeling of the layout of the house, the flow of it. So if you'll do a good edited video, it will save you so much time, because you'll be able to, if someone is calling you or reaching out to you, you can send it to them. It will be, I think it will be safer for you, safer for the buyer. And only when the buyer sent you their pre-approval letter, only when the buyer saw the video, saw the pictures, and he tells you, okay, I'm ready, I want to come and view the house, only then, my opinion, take the time and show your house to that buyer. That's it. Super short video. I hope this video gives you helpful tips on how to sell your house. Much luck, and remember, above all, please be safe. If you have a showing, you don't really know those people that are going to come into your house. Hide the valuable things, money, your social security, passport, stuff like that. Hide them away, and always try, at least, that someone will be with you in the house, or if not, if you're all by yourself, at least that someone will know that you are expecting this and that person. You can also ask that buyer to send you a picture of their ID. Try to protect yourself as much as possible, so nothing harmful will happen, God forbid. That's it. I was Rachel Dadon. I hope this video gave you good information. That's it. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.